What exactly happens to your body's cellular defenses as the years tick by, especially after you hit 60? It's a question that naturally brings up a little bit of fear, right? I mean, we all know our immune systems don't exactly bounce back like they did in our 20s. But what if I told you there is a wildly simple, dirt cheap item sitting right there in your local grocery store that has the power to absolutely supercharge your cells? I'm talking about a massive, scientifically backed upgrade to your immune system. Okay, let's dive into this. In this explainer, we're going to look at some staggering research that completely flips the script on how we defend our bodies. But fair warning, we are keeping the exact food under wraps for just a minute because, well, there's a pretty huge catch. You see, scientists recently took human immune cells, exposed them to an extract from this mysterious everyday food, and measured what happened over just 24 hours. And guys, the results totally shocked the research team. But here's the kicker, and the exact reason you need to stick around until the end of this explainer. You are almost certainly bringing this food home and cooking it in a way that totally destroys its benefits. I mean, literally wiping out the exact compounds your immune system is begging for. It's the ultimate kitchen mistake, and the food industry is perfectly fine not telling you about it. 300%. That is the massive dose of hope we're talking about today. In that 24-hour lab test, the extract from this common food boosted what we call natural killer cell activity by up to 300%. Listen, natural killer cells are your body's literal first line of defense. They're the frontline bouncers tasked with identifying and eliminating abnormal cells and threats before they become a massive problem. To see a spike like that from a simple food extract is just mind-blowing. It's not a pharmaceutical, it's something you can literally toss right into your grocery cart. Section 1. Waking up your defenses. Okay, I know you're probably yelling at your screen right now. Just tell me what the food is, man. Well, the cat's officially out of the bag. We are talking about mushrooms. But not just any mushrooms, and definitely not prepared just any old way. Specifically varieties like shiitake, maitake, reishi, and even your standard white button mushrooms have the ability to pull off this incredible biological feat. And the secret to how they pull this off is beta-glucans. Now, these aren't your everyday vitamins or minerals. They're long-chain polysaccharides. Think of them as literal, physical molecular keys. And here's where human biology is just wild. Your immune system has specific locks built into it, called dectin-1 receptors, that are perfectly designed by nature to recognize and bind to these exact beta-glucan keys. So when that molecular key fits perfectly into the lock, it triggers what I like to call an immune fire drill. Imagine your immune cells, your natural killer cells and macrophages, are a crew of highly trained firefighters just hanging out at the station. They're ready, but they're relaxed. When a beta-glucan from a mushroom binds to that dectin-1 receptor, it's like yanking the handle on the station's fire alarm. The alarm blares, and those firefighters don't just sit around waiting for a phone call. They get primed, they get coordinated, and they move out immediately. Your innate immune system gets locked, loaded, and ready for a much faster, stronger response. And hey, this isn't just theory and a petri dish. Back in 2015, the Journal of the American College of Nutrition published a landmark study. They didn't look at sick patients. They looked at totally healthy adults who just added dried shiitake mushrooms to their diet daily for 4 weeks. The result? Their natural killer cells showed increased proliferation and activation across the board. They proved that eating this specific food gives your cellular defense system a massive, real-world upgrade. Section 2. Your gut's protective shield. Let's pivot smoothly into something almost no one in this standard nutrition space talks about. We often picture our immune system floating around in our bloodstream or hanging out in our lymph nodes, right? But boom, a staggering 70% of your entire immune system lives directly in your gut. Not your blood, not your lymph nodes, your gut. So when we talk about bolstering your immune defenses, especially as you get over 60, if you aren't focusing on the gut layer, you are completely missing the boat. And guess what? Those mushroom beta-glucans do something highly specific to this massive gut immune headquarters. They actually stimulate the production of something called secretory IgA. Now, let's break this down simply. Secretory IgA is the primary antibody that lines your intestinal wall. Think of your intestines like a long piece of plumbing. This secretory IgA is like a thick, highly protective coating right on the inside of that pipe. When that coating is thick and fully intact, bad stuff like pathogens and harmful bacteria just washes right past. It literally stops them from leaking through the gaps and getting into your bloodstream. And that exact same 2015 study we just talked about, it confirmed that 4 weeks of daily shiitake consumption significantly bumped up those secretory IgA levels. You're literally spackling and fortifying your gut wall with a food humans have eaten for thousands of years. Section 3. The anti-aging antioxidant. Now, if beta-glucans were the only thing mushrooms had going for them, they'd already be an all-star superfood. But there is a second, highly secretive compound hidden inside these fungi that works through a totally different pathway. And truthfully, the commercial food industry practically ignores it, which is a downright shame because its biological implications are absolutely off the charts. The compound is called ergothioneine. Let me explain why this is so awesome. It's an amino acid, but your body treats it like VIP royalty. Human biology actually evolved a dedicated transport channel called OCTN1. Its sole purpose in your body is to grab ergothioneine from the food you eat and fast-track it directly to your most high-stress tissues, like your mitochondria, your red blood cells, and your liver. It acts as a long-term antioxidant buffer right where free radical damage hits the hardest. Think about that for a second. Your biology considers this specific compound so incredibly crucial that it literally built a customized molecular highway just to absorb it. It is genuinely awe-inspiring. And the absolutely crucial point here is captured perfectly in this 2010 finding from the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Ergothioneine is not synthesized by the human body. It must come from diet. Your body simply cannot make this on its own. You desperately need it from what you eat to help stave off cellular aging. And here's the real kicker. Mushrooms are by far the most potent dietary source of ergothioneine on planet Earth. Honestly, no other common food even comes close to the levels found in these fungi.
Section 4. The ultimate kitchen mistake.
So let's pivot back to that warning I gave you at the very beginning of this explainer. Let's be real for a second, my friends. All this amazing science, the beta-glucans, the ergothioneine, the natural killer cells, none of this matters, even a little bit, if you are destroying these compounds at the stove. Think about how you cook mushrooms. Most folks slice them up, throw them in a pan on high heat, or even worse, they boil them. Here is the massive kitchen mistake. Beta-glucans are completely water-soluble. So the absolute wrong way to cook them? Boiling them in water and then draining them in the sink. When you boil mushrooms and dump the water, you are literally pouring your absolute best cellular defense straight down the drain. You are washing away the magic. The right way? If you're using water to make a soup or stew, you must consume the broth. And if you're cooking them in a pan, dry saute them on medium heat to keep all those precious water-soluble compounds locked right inside the mushroom tissue.
Section 5. 3 steps to maximize.
I want to make absolutely sure you walk away from this explainer equipped with the exact, foolproof protocol to completely level up your immune health right from your own kitchen. It's time to spill the beans on exactly how to put this science to work for you. Here is your battle plan. Step 1. Choose the heavy hitters. Go for shiitake, maitake, or oyster mushrooms. While white button mushrooms are okay, these 3 pack significantly more beta-glucans and ergothioneine. Step 2, exactly as we just covered, protect the goods. Never ever boil them and dump the water. Keep the liquid or dry saute at them. And step 3, this right here is the real secret sauce, consistency. You need to eat them consistently, at least 3 times a week. The studies show that it takes about 4 weeks of steady consumption to trigger that massive, sustained upregulation of your natural killer cells. A one-off meal just isn't going to cut it. You got to make it a habit. And that brings us to the end of our journey today. Now that you know you've got this incredible natural cellular defense weapon sitting right there in the produce aisle, I really want to hear from you. How do you usually cook your mushrooms? Have you been boiling them and dumping the water this whole time? Do you saute them? Or maybe you just eat them raw? Drop a comment below and let me know. I absolutely love seeing how you guys are applying this stuff. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and hey, here's to waking up those cellular defenses. Keep cooking smart, and I'll catch you next time.